Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You will begin by making sure you have an admin account, a recent backup, and sufficient free disk space so updates can unpack. Once ready, open Settings and go straight to Windows Update. Note any error codes you see. Run the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter. This fixes common mismatches and permissions quickly. If the troubleshooter suggests a restart, do that now. Restarting often clears transient locks and lets the next steps run cleanly. Next, you'll reset update components to eliminate corrupted caches. Stop Windows Update, bits, and crypt SVC services using services, MSC or elevated command lines so files aren't locked. Then rename the software distribution and cacheroute 2 folders to force Windows to recreate them and download fresh packages. Once folders are reset, run System File Checker, SFC/Scano, to fix corrupted system files, followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the Windows image. These repair steps address deeper corruption that blocks updates. Once component repairs complete, restart the update services you stopped, reboot the PC, and check Windows Update again. You should see downloads or an install pending. Make sure critical drivers are current because driver conflicts commonly block feature updates. If updates still fail, try a manual cumulative update or the media creation tool method to upgrade. That rebuilds the update path. If nothing works, perform a system restore to a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.